Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Genesis. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.